A main water shutoff valve. It's the primary valve that controls the water supply to your entire home. It's typically located near your water meter and is used to turn the water supply off to the whole house in case of emergencies or repairs. Right here we have a description of 3 water valves that you'll see in your home. The main water valve, shutoff valve. You'll have your irrigation shutoff valve. And the last one will be your outside faucet shutoff valve. They'll all be labeled as such. The last water valve that you'll see will be located on top of the water heater. This is your water heater shutoff valve. In addition to the main valve, you'll find individual valves located underneath sinks, behind toilets, and other areas where the water flows. These valves will control water supply to the specific devices they are connected to. Depending on the year your home was built, they may have a slightly different look. One of the valves you may have is a turn valve, the on position and the off position. The other type of valve you may have in your home is an on-off push-pull. Up is in the off position, push down is in the on position. This register here is the bathtub access panel. This should only be open if a plumber needs to access the tub drain. Outside faucets. There will also be a specific valve for the outside faucet, also may be labeled as hose bib on your home. This controls the water flow to the outside faucets. With it in the parallel position it's on, turn perpendicular, the water is off. To properly maintain your outside faucet during the fall, it's essential to winterize it, even if it's labeled as frostproof. This process is crucial to preventing freezing and potential bursting of the pipes. This process should be done after the sprinkler system has been blown out. First thing you want to do is locate this valve inside your home that controls the water supply to the outdoor faucet. Close the valve, shut the valve off, and stop the water flow to the outside faucet. If there is a hose attached, remove it from your faucet and store it indoors to protect it from freezing damage. Inspect the faucet for any signs of leaks before winter comes. Drain this faucet by opening the spigot and allowing any water to drain out. To turn the outside faucet on, or hose bib, in the summer, locate the water valve inside your home that controls this outdoor faucet. Then slowly open the valve to allow the water to flow to the outside spigot. Once the inside valve has been turned on, turn the handle on the outdoor faucet to open it and check for leaks. This process is typically done in the spring when temperatures are consistently staying above freezing to prevent frozen pipes. A water meter is usually located in the utility room of your home. Some cities require 2 meters or dual metering. This is done for the city to separate monitoring your indoor and outdoor water usage. With dual meters, the city can distinguish between water used for the sewer and water used for irrigation. Clogs. The main cause of toilet clogs are domestic items such as disposable diapers, sanitary supplies, Q-tips, children's toys, and excessive amounts of toilet paper. You can usually clear clog traps with a plunger. With today's toilets, it may require 2 flushes, one for solids and one for the paper. Leaks. Correct plumbing leaks, running toilets, or dripping faucets as soon as possible. If a leak does occur, turn off the water supply to the area involved to minimize damage to your home and personal property. Water heater. Avoid using the top of the water heater as a storage shelf and maintain a clear area around the tank. The preset temp for a water heater is about 120. This is for child safety and for energy efficiency. For a gas water heater, you'll have 2 controls. One switch to turn it on and a dial to turn the temperature to a higher setting. Hot water will take longer to arrive to sinks, tubs, and showers that are farther away from the water heater. You may need to run the faucet or shower for a few minutes for the cool water in the lines to be flushed before the hot water reaches the fixture. If service is needed on your water heater, contact the manufacturer. This information is located on the water heater.